Hello YouTube, I'm Aftab from DiGi and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I am going to teach you something that is really different. I made a video that was a little bit different. I do not mean to say that. I mean that name of the video is a little bit different magic or something like that, but someone asked for it, and now I'm going to show you how I did that, because it was a little bit surprising, and it was good to see, because you didn't notice any change and the color was changing in the shirt. So it was basically about changing the shirt color. And someone also asked for doing the balloon, Zach King's balloon video, but that is related to it. I will explain how to do that. Yeah. Guys, sometimes I really, get out of ideas and I do not know what to make next. But I'll try my best to do that, man. Oh, that's me. I'm gonna figure this out, but I just need your support, guys. Your support. Everyone says that, but I really need the support. Yeah. Okay. So we are all set now, and now I don't know what I'm saying, but now we are gonna do this, okay? So you better take out your phone if you're watching this video. I know you're watching this video on your phone, and there is an app that you must download for this thing. It's called MuseMag. I don't know how to pronounce this correctly, but I pronounce it like this. I don't really know. Okay, so yeah, when you download this, after that you are gonna open this. That's obvious, yeah. So when you open it, you're gonna go to a section that is called, wait, let me show you. Yeah, okay, so when we open it, go to a section called Magic Color. Yeah, okay. All you have to do is double tap the color that you want to replace, and then move the color slide. Yeah. You can also change the strength. Yeah. So this is how you do it. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, then make sure to follow, which is Aftab_Afridi. And make sure to tell me what you guys want me to do next time.